Local officials are addressing the connection between inmate deaths and mental health.
Last year, more than 11% of Virginia inmate deaths were suicides. Today, during a training session in Newport News, leaders discussed better ways to investigate jail deaths.
Reporter Nico Clemens explains what resources are now in place here in Hampton Roads.
Tonight, state leaders are working to reduce the number of deaths behind bars.
But the public expects us to get it right 100% of the time.
Earlier this year, the Virginia General Assembly passed a bill allowing the State Board of Corrections to review inmate deaths in local and regional jails. This after several high-profile deaths at the Hampton Roads Regional Jail. Jermichael Mitchell in 2015 and Henry Stewart in 2016, both currently under investigation by the Justice Department. And most recently, Jakeem Funderburk.
It is personal to us.
Superintendent for the Hampton Roads Regional Jail, Ronaldo Meyer, says transparency is key.
If something happens, say, okay, this is what happened.
The purpose of the new legislation, making sure facilities are in compliance with the board's regulations. Virginia Secretary of Public Safety and Homeland Security, Brian Moran.
We need to get to the bottom of it, to identify the causes, to eradicate the problem.
Secretary Moran says too many people with mental illness are ending up in jails, which he says should not be a substitute for mental health services.
We're going to have to work with our jails to provide them the resources to provide mental health services in the jail.
More than $3 million went towards 6 mental health jail pilots, including here in Hampton Roads. Jail leaders agree there's room for improvement.
We can't stress that enough to know that's why we wanted training.
Which is what they're constantly working towards. In Newport News, Nico Clemens, 13 News Now.